The summer's calling. The summer's calling.
What's going on, guys? This is my 2007 BMW 335i with the N54 motor. It's also a 6-speed manual. A little bit harder to find. There she is. And I recently picked this car up sight unseen. It's got some minor front end damage on it. The whole passenger side, the paint, pretty bad. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's almost no gloss. It's like it's been repainted before. Both the passenger side wheels are curbed, missing a side skirt. It needs a front bumper, which I'm probably going to go ahead and go with the M3 replica front bumper. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and get this car washed. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yeah, let's get that washed.
Summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars.
That looks so much better. This is by no means a great detail or anything. I just wanted to do a quick wash to get all of the surface dirt off of the car so it'd look a little bit more presentable. You can still see the paint on this side. Not as bad now that I've washed it, but you can still see it has somewhat of a matte finish to it. It is a little bit dark outside. It's around like 8:30, so that's why it's a little bit darker. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is. You can kind of see I have a leak around the oil filter housing gasket. There's some weird custom turbo inlets created over here. And then it has the stock one over here, so really weird. That's part of the problems I'll need to address. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off. We're gonna shut the hood, of course, give it a start. I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video here. So if you like what you see and you want to be a part of this build, be sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it.